beautiful. I'm waiting for her to come, and it's gonna be her birthday again when she comes. I see you put ภาษาไทยเก่งมากไม่เก่งมากนะทุกคนพี่พิกคอนไทยไม่เก่งมากนิดหน่อยค่ะทีนี้ฉันไปหัวหินค่ะไปหัวหินวันที่5
บิริงานไง
ไปแบงคอก
บิริงาน
วันที่11ค่ะ
Puki ko may sugat.
อันนี้ swimsuit competition ที่หัวหิน
Anong secret mo sa swimsuit competition?
Hindi ko pa.
Nagdala akong ano.
น่ารักขอบคุณนะครับ
Nagdala ka ng ano?
confuse
Sa ano yun? Bukas.
Saan?
Sa Gala din.
Mel, CJ, is she eat spicy food or no? She cannot eat spicy food. May,
Sobrang linis na.
she cannot eat
Yung
spicy.
androgynous mo na.
May shop pet na. May shop ahan. Pet ahan.
Mahape na ko. Pero sabi niya yung
When is swimsuit competition? วันที่9ค่ะวันที่9 9th
Pero
of October.
yung dito, mabigat talaga.
Sabi ko, kasi marami yun.
May tatlo
ไม่ ไม่ทีนี้ค่ะทุกคนไม่คืนนี้ไม่คืนนี้swimsuit วันที่9ค่ะวันที่
Ito wala
9
kanina alam ganon. So, ito yung inuna niya, diba? Yung kalahat, yung natira.
ไม่เก่งมากนะทุกคน ไม่ฉันไม่คอนไทยนะฉันคอนบัลเล่ค่ะฉันคอนบัลเล่คอนฉันครุงจินครุงฮามินมาจากบัลเล่
Talaga ano?
Mel pick MGI or MU MGI นะ MGI always and forever MGI
Di ko alam ilang oras pa wahin eh, pero 4 daw eh sabi ko. Biringan.
very beautiful ขอบคุณนะครับสวยนิดหน่อยค่ะสวยนิดหน่อย
4 hours daw. Laguna.
ทีนี้ไปไหนหรอไปหัวหินค่ะไป Intercontinental หัวหินอันนี้ official sponsor ไปofficial sponsor MCI ไปหัวหินอันนี้บัสนะ
Di ba kaya sunod? Oo.
Oh, CJ is not reading her comment. That's why we come here.
Oh, sorry.
Tanay ka dumaan.
It's
Why
okay.
is she so fluent in Thai? She studied.
Yeah. ฉันคนไทยครับ Please teach Thai.
Xin chào.
ฉันชื่อCJ. Yeah, I am CJ.
Wala kang kwenta mag-live, hindi mo na-entertain yung mga ano, hello everyone, kamusta na kayo? Ganun mag-live. Excited ako sa opening mo, Queen. Opening ng business? Abangan.
Hi. Why is freaking...
Kaya ang grand final, sa 18 daw po ang grand final. Ay, spoil ako.
I've also thought it was her.
Alam nyo ba? Yung opening. Oh my gosh.
Because it's raining in Bangkok, so...
Yeah.
Yung opening tribute siya.
Bangkok punto.
Yun lang masasabi ko. Oh my gosh. Makakakita kayo ng trumpo. Oh my gosh.
You want to go to the beach. Both of you join the swimsuit competition.
Maybe ba? Sino mas gusto nyo? Di ba ako, di ba? Kasi wala siyang energy mag...
Just don't sleep. Every time.
Parang tumaba.
Every time I sleep.
Sa mga kanina pa sa live ha, kayo na mag-explain. Ayoko na mag-explain kung ba't ako tumaba.
Hi, CC Malaysia. Okay.
Kailan ang prelim? Sa 13? Ay, 15 ang prelim.
13 is national costume, 15 is the preliminary competition, and 18 is the grand coronation.
And 16, rehearsal.
Yeah. Are you gonna speak Thai?
Di bagay kay CJ. Di bagay kay CJ.
Yeah, in Thai, but not like the...
Sa'yo bagay?
Like,
Sa'yo bagay ba?
paragraph. Because I
Charas.
can't.
ขอบคุณนะคะP. Austin is here. Grand Ambition.
Maayusan niya si Emma. May glam team siya. Lang naman mag-ano kami na.
See you.
Kami dyan. Ayusan ka namin.
See you.
Hindi pa rin gumanon sis,
Yes.
diba?
Tsaka magaling glam team.
Oo, maganda naman ang glam team niya. Hindi naman pwede
The
mag...
hotel in Hua Hin is fantastic. Yeah.
Okay na si Emma, glam...
Yes.
Ang gaganunin namin sila, ano,
Intercontinental Hua Hin, Plang na.
mga ibang candidates. Ayusan namin. Tapos, papapangitin namin para...
Supporting talaga ni Sir A.L.B. siya ang nagla-live sa account niya.
Oo. Boto niyo ako sa Subic, ha? Charis.
Oh, CJ ang sexy.
Bagay pala kay CJ ang blind. Oo.
Gets more bang.
Nagbang siya. Ako daw.
Oo.
I don't get it. What is get?
Abangan, mababang siya.
Do you get it? Or do you get it?
Replika daw ba ng bang...
Your favorite sweet wine?
Water? There's a water here.
I don't understand. ไม่เข้าใจค่ะพี่
Papunta na ba sa...
ไม่เข้าใจ
Hindi. O na magano.
Do you like papaya salad? Yes.
Sino kasi si katabi ni CJ, patahimikin nyo. Ay, gaga.
No, she can't. No. Myself.
Huwag tayong mang-away, bang
My king
best.
Hessa. Now,
Yes,
ask
na-meet namin
CJ
si
if a girl
Engfa.
has
Pero hindi
any
kami
chance.
nagbeso-beso kasi
Huh?
for
Are you
what?
into girls?
Charing.
She's not into
Charing.
girls, guys. But I love English.
Nakita namin si Engfa. Paikot-ikot lang siya dito.
So Amy is not.
Pero hindi namin na para bineso-beso pa. For what naman? Charis.
No, she's not girl.
But are you into girls?
Hindi namin sure. Hindi ata
Not into girls.
Oo, replica syempre. Kasi yung original na crown, umiikot yun sa ano. Hindi pwede yung original sa kanya. Wala naman sila masyadong pera para magpa-ano ng laging original na ano, crown.
You
Diba?
have not eat the shabu-shabu here, right?
Kaya sorry na.
That's good. Only Amy. Yeah.
Attitude ka man. Sorry na.
She's into Amy.
Hindi mo siyang awayin. Hayaan nyo na siya muna mag-ingay-ingay. Sige, nabigyan na natin sa kanya yung chance. Mamaya papatahimikin ko yung ano natin. Igo-good job ko yan mamaya. Paparili. Chares. Magaling ko siya mamaya.
Why not makeup today? I do.
Ayun yung mga
have a light makeup
candidates.
on, actually. It's just so...
Wala sila sa mood. Ember na sila kasi tagal na nung ano, hindi pa umaalis. Kaya pa kami 10 AM dito. Parang 11 na.
This is her natural.
Wala pa rin.
This is my natural. Like, I do
Ano, paano ganyan kaganda? Anong sikreto mo? Tubig ulan, tsaka dasal. Just pray at night, then pag umulan, maligo ka. Ganon. Ikaw ba magtuturo sa production ni? No, meron silang production dito na ano.
It's so good.
Alam mo naman, ganunin ko yung ano biglang. Ako magtuturo dahil hindi pwede mag-ganon sis. Alam mo, ganunin ko yung dati nagtuturo. Tapos bilang, ano namang ano meron sa akin? At ako biglang matuturo, di ba?
Amy Pai Waki.
Asan si Emma? Emma, lumabas ka na. Hi Paula, I miss you too. I miss you so much and I don't know what to say. Parang bagay din kay tumabi sa mga... parang bagay ka din tumabi sa mga candidates. Hello! Diyos ko. Miss Alaska nga ako. Alaskador.
I love you, but I love Amy so much.
Miss Alaskador. Oo, gusto mo ganun yung ano. Excuse me, ako magtuturo ng production. Baka sabihin ni Sir na what? Sino yan? Sino ka? Bakit ka magtuturo ng production?
Thank you.
Can you say
Do you have
pakak?
enough sleep? No. It's 11.
Okay ba si
Why so
Engfa?
late?
Live mo ate si
Babae si Engfa.
Yeah, it's taken over.
Ginagawa niya siyang tomboy.
The bus haven't departed. No.
So why?
we can
Clue naman sa production, ano eksena mi at anong music. Ang music ay ang nagsindi nitong ilaw. Wala, ganun yung music. Tsare.
Okay, got it.
Asan si Kosovo ma?
Prema is not here. Thank you for your engagement.
Hindi ako yung org, hindi ko alam.
Ano siya? Andyan lang siya.
Letter A nga kami, nasa kabilang ano sila. Pag letter K, malayo. Kasi Alaska ako.
Alaska doon.
Ito, Antipolo, Angono.
Who's with you, Queen? We have...
Yung isa si Alwina. Yan. Hindi bagay kay CJ naka-boycott.
Prema and Krishna. Oh,
So what?
I didn't know that. Thank you for the information. Oh,
Miss Cargador, oo. Oo, Jana.
very good post นะขอบคุณนะครับ PS ฉันชอบทำงานเป็นพิธีกรครับฉันชอบมากฉันทำงาน
Trans po ba yung katabi ni
ปีค่ะที่ประเทศมาเล
Grabe naman din kada yung mga ano-ano. Si Miss ano yun, Miss Malaysia yun before. Don't say that.
Why you look at me like that? It's like, what do you just said? I said that
station ID.
complimented my hosting. I said
Dahil
that
ikaw,
I would be coming up
lalabas si
with
CJ,
a
diba? Dahil ikaw,
and
bro.
Malaysia.
Lalabas siya. Ang star ng Pasko! Gaganon siya. Di ba CJ, yun ang ano mo?
Sayaw, Kanawa. Yes, I know. Ate Sayaw, Kanawa. Oh.
Kakahiya. Such a disgrace. Chares. Miss Cargador, oo. Oo, Atina. Sana mampalit ka ng picture. Yung totoong picture mo. Hindi yung mga Korean, mga ilalagay mo sa ano mo, ha. Chares. Ma-ember na ang na mga nasa likod. Haha, anong oras pa? Ember na nga sila na. Kasi nga,
Okay.
di, ember na sila kasi nga, anong oras na? Sabi, ano daw, alas 10 ang alas. Alas 10 ata ng gabi ang alas.
We like Miss Grand International.
Ate, baka may
Huwag kayo mag-ABS lang. Huwag kayo mag-ABS lang kasi bias kayo niyan eh. Nag-guess si CJ minsan sa GMA. Okay po. Sorry. Huy, kailangan naiwan ko.
Girls,
Ate, huwag daw ABS na kanta. GMA naman. Ano ba kanta sa GMA ng Christmas?
still be friends.
Hindi, ang alam ko lang, one, Jenny Lee.
Kapuso, makulay ang buhay. Kaisa tayo sa puso. O, mali ka na. Alam mo na. Alam mo na. Ba't adan? May nagbibenta ba ng mani sa bus? Gusto mo makita yung mani ko? Charing.
Huwag yan ang restrict.
Ate Rachberg, back to back ramdam nyo.
Back to back ba ramdam nyo? Ngayong araw pa lang po ako dumating, hindi ko pa nararamdaman masyado. Pero, ramdam kita.
Patingin naman ng view sa labas.
Si ate, bubuk na lang ng ticket eh. Ginawa niyo akong travel, influencer.
CJ Prema or Ayin?
Prema or Amy? Titikman. Totorpa. Ang galing mag-Tagalog.
Beautiful.
Backpin.
Nasa airplane ka ba, ma? Nasa ano ako? Owner.
Hindi na. Friends with benefits. Okay.
Oo, sabak ako sa Miss Grand. Intestine. Miss Grand Intestine next year.
Country's grand talent you like the most. I think it's very obvious, guys.
Bakla, kailan na Miss Grand? Hindi ko alam bakla. Si bakla
talent, you
naman.
like talent. I think if singing.
Mag-drive ka na lang.
For me, it's Thailand.
May driver. Hindi ako
If you
yung
say
mag-drive.
dancing, it's Thailand. Agree? And then if you say rap,
Miss Kagard daw, taga-benta ng mani. Oo, gusto makita yung mani ko.
it's a good topic.
Basa ito mani ko eh. Ato na siya.
Yeah, so... Hi! Ang galing mag-Tagalog ni Alaska.
Oh, Malaysia.
Alam niyo Alaska sa ano? Carnation.
Sing no?
Ano yun ni Alaska Carnation kasi yun, be?
I think 12 na.
Ano? Style ng noo ko? Bakit may style ba yung noo?
You look alike. Type. Ninoy ka.
Bakit yung tattoo?
CJ, Opiana.
Ano na siya, nag-fade na. Parang hindi bagay kay CJ ang short hair.
Come to work in Thailand. ใช่ ฉันอยากทำงานเป็นพิธีกร
Yeah,
ที่ประเทศ
Pivan
ไทย
is there. Pivan.
ใช่ ฉันยากมาก
Kailan ang Miss Grand? 18, October 18.
The face is so similar.
Bobcat na blondie.
You study Thai because you want to have a Thai boyfriend. Mine na.
Kasi din ang Filipino
Chani.
type dyan sa...
Chani.
Actually, hindi. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung mga girls na wala pa.
Boyfriend contract.
Pero like lahat nasa baba na ng before 10 yung iba. Kami, bumaba kami
ใช่
ng
ปีนี้ไฟฟ้าขึ้นแล้ว
10. Kasi 10 call time
Next
for you
round,
check.
I want to see pole dance from Japan. Wow.
P-Champ, I don't know where is P-Champ. But Piwara is here and Pivani is there. Piwara is eating. Ano pong?
Don't know. What is don't know?
Pa ng ate.
My owl.
Pag nung naman parang mas bata.
I think it's you have family.
So, no, dyan. Batang.
We will
Parang
see.
nung-
We will see.
parang
whether we
baby,
will host
ganon.
again in Hua Hin. Stay tuned.
Swimsuit show sa...
It's Kosovo here.
Nine.
Kosovo is not
Nine,
here.
nine.
Not to phone.
Ano pong type ng makeup niyo?
Typhoon. Kosovo.
Type A positive.
AB positive. Ano ba? Dugo ba?
Hindi ko alam. May type ba yun?
Type kita.
Type kita.
Tap tap. Tap tap screen. Tap.
Typewriter.
Ay, tap tap screen.
Ano na?
Ramdam mo ba? Ramdam mo ba?
Type C.
Hala, charger.
Type C. You know, in Malaysia, the Type C, like Type M, Type C is the race. Type C is Chinese.
How?
Type I is Indian. Type
Oh.
N is Malay.
No, because they're like asking, what type is your makeup? I'm like, type of makeup? So we said,
No, we know your type. We're your type. We're your type.
Hala, lambing-lambingan sila.
Sorry ka. VV Live. Okay, it's okay. Go and watch VV Live na.
Bawal ang harness
Wait.
sa ano, baka
Wait.
maban.
Maybe I can send VV a request. How can I send VV request?
Sinakalbe.
Wait, is
Hala na yung
VV?
pinuno ko.
Punta akong Ilocos.
Let me invite her. I invite her already. Let's see. Does she accept? Ask Vivi to accept my live. Vivi, accept my live. She's not accepting my live. Where is she? I
Yes,
invited her again.
ma'am.
Where are you? Hi, Viviana Lynn Winston. Where are you?
Sino type ko? Si Jackson Wang. Bigyan niyo sa akin si Jackson Wang. Para masaya tayong lahat.
Wow, Mingalaba.
Nasa po si Ann.
Yeah, this is CJ.
Nasa, hi! Good
Yes.
morning.
Good morning. What are you guys doing in the bus?
They're eating.
You're eating pad thai?
Ano guys, ubos sa Coke mo nung konti na lang.
Some of the girls. Okay.
No, sabi niyo.
So your bus is not full yet. So are you excited to go to
Sa
Joaquin?
final, si CJ ay lilipad. Wow, amazing ka.
So what are you bringing in Joaquin this time? What are you gonna show to the world?
Yeah, maganda yung
In
bagong
Joaquin.
crown.
Yeah.
Kasali po sa sports.
You gonna show to the world pad thai? Okay.
Nakuha ba
Okay, got it.
Hindi ko sure. Depende kung
Eat,
i-invite.
it's okay, you can eat. What is
Hindi,
your
hanggang
favorite Thai
21
dessert?
sila Mami Yaj dito.
Si Mami Nicole hanggang 26.
Si Mami Micol hanggang 2026.
Mingalaba.
Hanggang 2026 ka.
Mingalaba, Myanmar fans.
Alam mo,
Yes, makan.
kasi sabi na naisip ko nga naman, ano yung mga balali sa Black Hole?
ทุกคนอันนี้ Miss Grand Malay 2025
Sabi niya, I can rebook my flight.
Miss Grand Malay 2025น้องพีครับ
Manira na lang tayo.
Ha? Eh, yung flight mo pabalik Air Asia?
Myanmar 2025 JK Sophia
Ay, grabe na. Sobra na pagkayaman ng tao na yan. Kaya niya mag-rebook ng flight. Huwag kayo.
Susanna, Amy,
Hello,
CJ,
Nana?
I have a lot of inquiry here. Pero sa Bolivia, naman hindi makapag-rebook. Sa Bolivia, hindi makakapag-rebook, sis. Oo. Di ba dito siyempre Thailand lang?
Okay, I don't disturb you na. You can eat
Ang
na.
Bolivia, okay na to. Ito tayo.
Hindi, iuwi ko na to.
Okay
na uwi.
Enjoy yourself. Hey, ทุกคนสนับสนุนดีนะ
Guys, the other candidates are in different bus.
How do I
This is
remove her?
bus 1. Huh?
How do I remove her? Like,
I don't know.
how do you do this?
Guys, help us.
Help us, we don't know how to
We're
do
not
this.
Gen Zs.
I don't know. Oh.
Help.
I got it.
Hello, I'm back.
We're not professional.
Sobrang nahihilo na ako. Kasi alam nyo ba, flight ko kagabi, 11 p.m. So nakarating ako dito para mga 1:40, ganyan. Kwentuhan ko lang. 1:40 ako dumating. Sobrang nahaba ng immigration. Parating ko sa immigration, ba? Immigration, haba ng pila. Biglang, ako na, yung time ko nang magpapano ng passport, biglang sabi, hindi ko doon nasagutan yung e-travel. Kaya pinalis nila ako ulit.
Babalik ka pa ba sa MUPH?
ไม่คอนไทยค่ะฉันคอนเลยคือทีมคือราคาไม่ยิน
Yun, tapos, ayun.
CJ Nova will meet you. Yes, I know.
Sanagutan ko ng e-travel. Pero umabot ako ng 3 a.m.
Si Brent Fernandez naman, asan si Emma? Wala nga dito si Emma.
Nasa kabilang bus nga si Emma.
Abangan mo dun sa live niya.
Sinong designer ng farewell gown ni CJ? Ano pa ba? Sino pa
nga ba?
Si Sir Mac pa rin po. Parang 4 ata yung ano niya. Farewell niya. Gown. Nagpapalit-palit. Chares!
Setting spray reveal daw.
Setting spray review may maropa.
Ito. Thank you so much.
Ano lang yan? Unan.
Si Rai. Hi, Rai.
Hi, Rai!
Saan po ang field trip?
Mapingin ng seaweed.
How many years?
Yung green.
Thank you so much.
Hindi ako sasali sa MU. Yung ako mag-beauty ko. Wala namang pera yung mga yun. Chares!
Pero true naman.
Sali na lang akong PBB. Ate, hindi ka kinakain ng Tide. Pala ba? Super sa pag-laugh.
Malaba ko yun eh.
Wala na ka. Ang bawal ito may pepe.
Masarap yan.
Yak! Yak! May kamukha si Piba na Pilipino.
Kama ka mag-ano.
May kamukha. Yak na yung mga ganyan seaweed. Ew.
Ano yan?
Walang tuna ano.
Yung ko yan.
Ano si Re? Uy! Sino si Re? Sino? Richelle. Sino si Richelle? Bigay ba si Jan nakasalag?
Willy Wonka nga tabi. May kamukha. Ha. Si Jess sasali ba na MU next year?
Sasali siya ng The Voice. The Voice ano?
The Voice Within.
Oo.
Me? Yeah, I will join the boys. This is the boy.
Baho! Baho na mga pinagkakakain yun. Alam mo yung Fairfax. Maiganti mo na sa CJM eh. Pupunta na po kami ng... Ito pa yung seryosong sagot ha. Dahil seryoso akong tao. Ang pupuntahan po namin ay...
Ilocos Norte, Pagudpud.
Pagudpod. Ilocos Norte. Oo, may kamukha siya. O sige, si Laika Estrella. Okay. Wala nga si Emma, nasa kabilang live. Ay, nasa kabilang bus. I-check nyo nga si Emma, mag-live siya.
Wala, hanggang sa hanapin namin po.
Wala siya sa amin, kasi letter P siya. So kami, nandito kami sa bus number 1.
Kasama kasi namin yung mga parang A to G ata.
Oo, so by lettering.
By letter kasi, dati kasi bus 3 ako, so baka nasa bus 3.
Nasa bus 3 yung Philippines, gano'n. So much jumping. Tapos, syempre letter A kami, Alaska ako. Oo. Pero bang Miss Grand Alaska?
Wala.
Angola. Miss Grand. Miss Grand. Grand Canal. Miss Grand Canal. Walang Miss Alaska, Miss Barbados, Miss Brunei. Ayan si Miss Brunei.
Ano ako, Cheryl?
Hindi ka pwede mag-share niyo kasi ibang bus yun, letter S ka.
Angola.
Merong Angola, ano ka?
Thank you.
Barbados. Nabasbas naman. Oo, nabasbasan niya na.
Ha?
Nandito ako sa Pagudpod, dito sa may windmills. Tara na. Ang magandang gawin dyan, sumabit ka dun sa wind. Paikot-ikot ganun. Dali na. Bilis. Windmill reveal. Sige naman na. Patingin ako ng pagsabit sa ano. Pagtulong yung damot nyo naman.
Content yan po.
Oo, lipat kayo dun. Support natin si Emma. Para marami siyang dun, viewers. Sige ha.
You have water?
Ikaw mauna. Wala pa nga ako sa Pagudpod eh. Paano ako mauuna eh? Ikaw na nga nandyan.
You're like a big, so easy. You want fat? No? Fat, almost 15.
Ayan po si Ma'am.
You are so sweet. Now to see your sister.
Say hi to the fans of CJ.
Mabuhay! Ulitin!
Yes. Mabuhay. Hi, Pimi. Listen.
Yes, Kimi.
Huwag na magkulong-kulong. Grabe naman talaga kayo. Bagay sa'yo ang bangs queen. Sana ganyan sa finals mo. Yeah.
Yeah, you know, Wara Kimi.
Okay, we're leaving.
Wara Pivani is here also. Pivani. But She my phone. She's there. She is missing.
Yes, we're leaving on a jet.
We're leaving now. They're asking where we're going, and we say we're going to a beach in the Philippines.
Yes. We're gonna take a cargo.
Now we're gonna go to Huahin.
Huahin. Huahin. Huahin. We're going to Huahin.
ไม่อยากพูดจะร้องเพลง
Hindi mangi-stop ngayon. Where's Picha?
Ate Betchan.
Maybe bus 3. You miss him or bus 3?
Oh, okay.
You miss พี่แชมป์เหรอ
So, hiwa-hiwalay din pala sila. Pati yung mga staff. Ayun na yung mga maleta namin. Paalam naman sa inyo, be. Paalam na aking mahal. Eh, hindi naman nila ako naintindihan eh. Kaya nga malakas loob ko kumanta. Sino si Botswana? Wala namang ganun.
Botswana have fun.
Botswana have fun yun, be.
Ganyan.
No, not sing. Drop some stickers first. Paalam. Nagpalit-palitan daw ng ano. I'm begging you.
Bye, CJ.
Huh?
Debut.
Yeah. Please make me debut. Yeah.
Parang Nicole.
I need to learn how to speak Thai, so I sing Thai songs.
Talagang maganda siya. Talagang maganda siya.
Which song?
Remix.
I'm so bumpy.
So bumpy. Bumpy.
Bumpy the bumpy.
Ba't ang tagal kayo papunta? Alam, be.
Paano pa?
Sabi kasi yun sa Waze, sabi yun sa hula, be. 4 hours. Yung
Nakakaman lang kami nito. Punta kami pa.
Dati wala silang masakyan na yung papuntang Pattaya. Ngayon nakabus kami. Front seat pa. Wow. Ano daw yun?
Wow.
Maingay phone dahil sa vibrator. Ha? Bakit may vibrator? Ba't kayo? Vibrate. Nakapatong kasi yung phone ko sa ano. Sa ano ng bus. Ano nang ba-vibrate? Nalilito ako sa inyo. Naguguluhan ako. Huwag mo ipatong. Gusto ko ipatong. Huwag niyo akong utusan. Wala pa
Patungan niyo ako.
Diyan kayo.
แต่วันนี้มันวันอาทิต
Diyan
ย์
lang kayo.
ถ้าทางนี้เราไปด่วน
Kasi hindi ko malalaglag.
เนี่ยมัน2 โอ้ยถ้า2 ชั่วโมง 4 โอเคถ้าถึง 4
Kailan baka din bumagsak. So sige, hawakan ko na lang para sa inyo. Pero feeling ko mawawalan ako ng signal anytime soon. I'm a pineapple.
แต่ว่าเวรหลังไม่ได้ตรงขาและงามยาว
Pen, pineapple, pen.
จริงใจมัน
Oo, rockstar ako matulog eh. Like a rockstar. Mami Randall! Ano pineapple ko dyan? It's styled by Randall GL. Inspired by pineapple. Yun yung caption nito. Pag nag-post akong picture. Wag muna mag-fly me to the moon. Araw pa yung nakalabas. Nagalit siya, babe. Pinagalit siya.
Tawag ng busina.
Galit na busina yun, babe. Hands up, Gabriella. be, hindi mo babaguhin yung pangalan ko. Christina Julie. Bakit ganun?
Christina Julie Ompao ko.
Possible na back-to-back victory. Akala ko sabi niya victory lahi na. Mami Teresa is going to Wahin also. Of course, they're not riding with us in the bus. Be, hindi magiging Christina Julian at saka Christina Juliana.
Pares ko.
Binabago nyo yung mga bagay-bagay. Nasaan na? Ano daw? Wala. Guys, mag-end na nga ako. Yun nyo naman ako binibigyan ng dragon. May ganun. Nag-viral yung Q&A mo sa live, ha? Sa MGI. Nag-viral. Ang alin? What question? The politics? Has to go viral. We have to talk about it. Don't worry. This time, since mas prepared, kung matutuloy man yung second na live talk nila, mag-prepare akong question. Yun kasi very impromptu eh. Impromptu questions. Napagalitan kami sa school dahil sa introduction mo sa MG. Ha? Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Diyan ka natitira sa Thailand? Pwede naman. Basta meron akong bahay dito.
Pwede naman yung citizen, basta kumuha ka ng bahay.
Oo nga. Although, medyo mahal din yung bahay nila dito. Uwi ka ng gapo. Hala, hindi ganun din. Nagtatrabaho pa yung tao. Kahit pakita ko sa'yo. Pwede ba? Hindi ko alam kung pwede, pero